Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to paint a simple Christmas greeting card with a beautiful bow into it. So for the bow I am using red color and I'll show you 2 to 3 version how you can paint it, but in the final we are going to paint in a little different way. So you can randomly create a structure of a bow kind of pattern, and I'm not creating anything with the help of pencil, but if you're not comfortable doing it directly you can have a bow shape with the help of pencil and then try to fill it. But I'm doing it directly with the help of watercolor, and I have created something like this, keeping a negative space, a teardrop kind of shape at the tip, as you can see. So that is something you can keep, and same thing you can repeat for the other side as well, keeping a small round kind of structure in the center. Try to keep the size in a similar way like we did for the other side. If not, it is totally fine. Just do little practice and you can do it easily. So we did a bow kind of shape like this with the help of watercolor. Now it's time to add some frills. You can have little longer frills as well and smaller as well. And this is the first version. How simple it is, right? It is easy to paint. Now if you want, you can have more red color around the bow area, making it little darker if needed. Although I'm quite happy with this structure. And now we can have another version of the bow. So if you feel this is a bit difficult for you guys, you can choose this particular one. So I'm mixing little bit of blue into my red, and with the help of darker color you can just go around. You can have little darker touch around each area. You can have some line and pattern. So when you have little darker color around the bow area, you will automatically see a fold kind of pattern or ribbon kind of structure. So always remember, when you have little darker and lighter color, you will see a better result. Now for some of you, keeping negative space is difficult, so I'm hiding that space with little darker red color, as you can see here. And this one is also fine, right? So if you're not comfortable keeping negative space, you can do something like this, and it is also beautiful to have. Now let it dry for some time. Meanwhile we can paint some other element. So with the help of green color I am creating leaves. These leaves are pretty simple. You can create a leaf kind of shape, pushing your brush a little bit at the end. So just drag your brush to create a fine line and then push it and then release it slowly to have a leaf kind of structure. It is easy to paint. I'm doing it using one stroke technique, which is very simple. If you want to understand how one stroke work, you can refer to my previous videos wherein I have explained everything in detail about one stroke technique. So keep adding these leaves. You can have other varieties of leaves as well to make it more beautiful. You can have a couple of flowers as well in between. So those things is totally up to you, but I want to keep things simple, easy, and for last minute. So that's why I'm keeping things pretty much simple and easy for you guys. My basic agenda is to keep it simple, and whenever you have very lesser time to do something but still you want to do, you can definitely do something like this. So I want to show you the third version of bow, which is my final version. So for that I'm creating an outline, keeping a negative space. When you do this, it is more like a light reflection you are getting into your bow area. So something like this you can do. You can have an outline, a very fine outline with the help of red color itself. My bow is still wet, so I need more time. So meanwhile we can paint some berries. So in between I am adding red berries, and for berries you don't have to do anything. Simply create a round shape with the help of red color. keeping a small negative space in between. So that is something important, and that is something when you do, you can make it more on the real side with lesser amount of time and with ease. So if you're not comfortable doing negative space, you can also do one thing. You can create a round shape with the help of red color, and at the end you can use white marker or acrylic color or gouache color, and you can have a small hint of white into your berry area. So that is also something you can do, but I like to keep negative space. Now I'm adding more leaves into it. As I said, the composition is totally up to you, so you can make it more complex or you can keep it simple like this. So I think this much is fine, I guess. Now with the help of blue color, so little bit of red into my blue, make it dark, and where we have a negative space, you can add this particular darker color in that particular area to make it more real. And see, with one little difference you will see a huge difference into your bow. So this one is the final bow that I have. I'm using brown sheet to make it look like a greeting card, so you can do something like this as well. And we are done with today's video. You can write anything in between. So I hope you have liked it, and thank you so much for watching.